there, welcome back. Imagine this. You want to say how you feel in English, but the words don't come out naturally. You pause, you translate in your head, and suddenly the moment is gone. Frustrating, right? Well, today is different. This is day 12 of our shadowing English speaking practice. And I promise you, by the end of this lesson, you'll not only learn English fast, you'll talk about feelings like a native speaker. No more boring textbook words, no more robotic sentences, just real English that flows. Ready? Let's dive in. When we talk about feelings in English, most learners use the same safe words: happy, sad, angry, tired. And while those are correct, they don't sound natural when you repeat them all the time. Native speakers use richer, more expressive phrases. And if you want to learn English fast, you need to practice not only vocabulary, but also the rhythm, the tone, and the emotion behind each word. That's why today's practice is shadowing. You'll hear me, then you repeat. Mimic the sound, the pause, even the energy. First rule, don't just say the word, feel the word. Let's start with happiness. Instead of just saying, I'm happy, try these. I'm over the moon. I feel on top of the world. I'm in high spirits. That made my day. Now repeat with me. I'm over the moon. I feel on top of the world. I'm in high spirits. That made my day. Hear the excitement in the voice? That's the sound of natural English. Copy the words, copy the feeling. Now, sadness. Not just, I'm sad. Listen to these. I feel down. I'm heartbroken. I'm feeling blue. I'm not myself today. Shadow me now. I feel down. I'm heartbroken. I'm feeling blue. I'm not myself today. Do you feel how the voice drops? Softer, slower, heavier? That's emotion. Now, anger. Turn up the heat. Instead of always saying, I'm angry, try these. I'm pissed off. I'm frustrated. That drives me crazy. I can't take it anymore. Say it with me. I'm pissed off. I'm frustrated. That drives me crazy. I can't take it anymore. Let the energy out. Don't hold back. That's how natives sound. What about tiredness? Instead of the plain, I'm tired, say, I'm drained. I'm worn out. I'm running on empty. I need to recharge. Now shadow. I'm drained. I'm worn out. I'm running on empty. I need to recharge. Do you hear how alive these expressions feel? They paint a picture in the listener's mind. Excitement and nervousness, mixed feelings. Here's what natives say. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm pumped up. I'm thrilled. I'm anxious, but in a good way. Shadow with me. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm pumped up. I'm thrilled. I'm anxious, but in a good way. Quick, light, full of energy. That's real English. Time for practice drills. I'll give you the situation. You answer with the feeling. You just got amazing news. Say, I'm over the moon. Your best friend moved away. Say, I'm heartbroken. You've been working all day without rest. Say, I'm worn out. Someone cut in line in front of you. Say, that drives me crazy. You're about to start a new job. Say, I have butterflies in my stomach. Again, repeat, feel the words. That's how you learn English fast, by living the words. Why shadowing? Because it works. When you shadow, you don't just copy vocabulary, you copy rhythm, tone, emotion. It trains your brain to react in English. No translation, no hesitation, just flow. 5 to 10 minutes a day, that's enough. Focus on feelings. Focus on expressions. Day by day, you'll sound natural. Remember this. English is not only about grammar. It's about connection. The more naturally you express feelings, the more people connect with you. So don't stick to boring words. Use expressive ones. Shadow them. Feel them. Own them. That's the path to fluency. If today's practice helped you, don't just keep it to yourself. Hit the like button. Share this video with a friend. And subscribe for more daily shadowing lessons. This is only day 12. Imagine how fluent you'll be by day 30. Keep practicing, keep shadowing, and I'll see you in the next video.